Everybody back here, EMD Automotive. I've got a BMW X6. BMW X6. There's a noise coming from the front of the engine. Every time you start the car, you can hear the noise coming, like a rotational noise. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to actually remove everything. Actually, what I've done, I've removed the fan and some of the coolant hoses out of the way. As you can see, there it is. That fan's going to come out to do so I can actually try to pinpoint where the noise is coming from. So now we're going to start the car up and show try to see if I can hear the noise. And then after that, I'll remove the drive belt, which is this one here, and then see if the noise go away, and then we'll go from there. But let me start it up. Alright, I started the engine up. And now I'm gonna see where the noise coming from. Okay, it's pretty hard to actually pinpoint. I just wanted to actually show where the noise is coming from, which area. So it looks like probably the water pump. I'm gonna remove the belt and check anyway. Alright? I'll do another video after this one. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.